as alleged by the Kenya Kwanza regime and its sympathizers. The images have not been photoshopped or generated by AI. The Gen Z on the streets are your authentic constituents. Zakayo, your employers have said enough is enough. They want you to go home today and now, not on August 10, 2027. Fellow Kenyans, this is the Kenyan spring, courtesy Gen Z. We are witnessing an organic and tribeless collective gathering of our youth who are tired of KK's wealth of bottomless lies, corruption, and disdain. Hour by hour, their numbers grow. This is a significant turning point in the history of our nation, comparable to Sabasaba Day. We note the Kenyan Gen Zs are issue-driven and non-violent. They demand transparency from authorities and institutions. Despite their young age, they are politically engaged and eager to participate in civic activities. We say, quote unquote, musilale bado mapambano. Ladies and gentlemen, the grounds for the recall of the 2004 and the impeachment of Zakayo have never been clearer and more pressing. As Azimio, we have started the process. Let us do it for X and the fallen 75, and all those Kenyans suffering because of this betrayal of public trust. Azimio stands in solidarity with Gen Z and all aggrieved Kenyans in pursuit of social and economic justice. We will continue agitating for these changes through Parliament, courts, and on the streets until Zakayo comes down. Gen Z is watching. Kenya is watching, and so is the world. God bless Kenya.
The President and the over 200 members of Parliament